My friendly neighbour is preparing to visit another festival soon, and he seems to be turning into a cat. Yeah, but his cat Yolanda, am I to take care of her or what? You wouldn't know it to look at me, but there's something about Yolanda. Cat food on my fingers, believe me surely. That's just unacceptable. Every time I tear these bags open, I get the stuff on my fingers. Yeah, I love my furry friend. But cat food mustn't end up on my fingers. So I went on the internet recently and I found cat cutlery. Cat cutlery. Get them, they're real good. An amazing product where your fingers stay clean. Oh boy, it's so simple. You just open the bag and use the Cutlery to ease the entire wet food contents out into the bowl. And the best is, nothing on your fingers. Simply rinse the Cutlery under the tap and you're done. Between you and me, the Cutlery cat cutlery is designed to save money, because nothing ends up in the bin. I am happy, the cat is happy, and when my neighbour's done his festivals, I'll slip him a cat Cutlery under his door. And now you don't want to go home, yeah?
Your side, and I needed you. It was the last time. 3 years